Holding meetings remotely has become commonplace in recent years. Our teams present in many parts of the world, and we know how challenging remote meetings can be. So today, we're going to present the 4 P's for a productive remote meeting. And to make it even better, we'll show you how to create a template for your Taskade meetings, saving you even more time. Welcome to the Taskade channel, your channel for a simpler and more productive life. The first P is people. The main objective is to include only those who need to be in the meeting. Choose only those who can contribute in some way and key decision makers. Also in Taskade, you can see what the local time is for each of the members. This is an important feature for defining the best time for a remote meeting. To invite participants, just create a new project and choose the participating users. If they are not yet part of your team, just click Share and invite them. The second P is purpose. It'll help us define the purpose of our meeting. To make this clear to all participants, we're going to add this option in Taskade. Use the H1 format to make the title stand out in your project. We can use the column to use emojis and further customize our project. As we are creating our template, I will not fill it with information from a meeting yet, but I'll leave a tip on how it should be filled. We come to the third P, which is product. Here, we'll justify the reasons why the meeting will be held. What do you hope to achieve with this meeting? As before, let's just fill in the information for our template. Now, let's go to the last P. The last P is process. Here we make it clear to all participants what the rules of the meeting are. We also leave details of how it should be conducted. Let's create a topic for this one. And for now, just mark this space. We have finished creating our project, but our goal is that it can be used whenever we have a new meeting. So now, let's click on the project options. It's in the upper left corner. Click on Add to Templates. Afterward, choose the location where the template should be saved. And now we have our template. And in Taskade, you have several ways to use it. In the workspace or folder you saved, just click on the Templates tab. Now, just click on Use Template and click on Create in the bar on the left. Another way is by clicking on New Project. And in the sidebar on the left, choose your template and click on Create. Now that we've used our template, just fill in the meeting details. But of course, our tips don't end there. We know how much a given topic can expand, and the meeting ends up being very long. And in Taskade, you can use our time feature to help maintain focus. It's simple. For each topic, you can set a time limit. Just click on the More of each task, choose Timer, and set the time. In Taskade, you and your team can work in real time. Generally, meetings generate new tasks, but the main tip is to put each one in its proper place. To do this, just click on the Task menu, then on Move To, and choose which project they should be moved to. In a simple way. We can't help but remind you that Taskade has incredible features, so you can hold your meeting without having to change tools. Check out our videos on advanced features for teams. Taskade is the right tool to increase your team's productivity. Don't wait any longer. Download links, template links, and other important links are in the description of this video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Don't forget to subscribe for more news and tips, as well as like this video to encourage your channel to go further. Taskade, simplify your productivity.